Most plugs are sealed nowadays, but you can still take the back off older ones. All plugs are wired like this. The pins are made from metal, so they conduct and your appliance can be connected to the mains. For safety, you want to be able to quickly see which wire does what, which is why they're coloured, and to keep anything live protected behind a tough insulating material like plastic. The live wire is brown. This has the high changing voltage. The neutral wire is blue. This is at 0 volts and completes the circuit. The yellow and green striped wire is called the earth. It only does anything if there's a fault in the appliance where the live comes loose. We'll look at the earth and the fuse in the next lesson. Let's follow the conducting path through the plug. The green dot doesn't represent the current. Remember, that goes back and forth like our wheel. It's just the path the current takes. It comes up the live pin, through the fuse, along the cable to the appliance, and back out through the neutral pin. And this is how the conducting path looks if we include the power station. Obviously, this is hugely simplified. Live, fuse, along the live, into the appliance, back along the neutral pin, back to the power station. We want to make sure that it's difficult to touch anything live, particularly if the appliance is dropped or bashed and the live gets loose and touches the outside case of the appliance, like this. One way to do this is to use an earth wire, which we'll look at in the next lesson. The other is to have another layer of insulating material outside the standard insulation you'd expect to find. This typically means the casing is sealed and made from plastic. We call this double insulated. The most common things that are double insulated in our house are the chargers for our phones.